Yo, what's up, YouTube family? Do me a favor, like, share, comment, and subscribe to this video. Alright, man, I know when I'm on here, I don't be sounding all bright and loud and excited.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
I don't get too loud. Well, at least that's what I say, and that's what you guys see, but somebody annoys me and different things happen, something I don't want to hear, and you say the same thing over and over, might get a little loud. But other than that, usually a calm dude. Unless I got something going on, like we're on our way to my FFL to pick up something, baby. Yes, sir. On our way to the FFL, and when we get there, pick up the item, head on back to the crib, and do a quick box opening and check it out.
I like it a lot.
Some of y'all gonna like it, some of y'all not. Some of y'all gonna complain, some of y'all gonna talk some stuff, some of y'all gonna embrace it. All right, let's get on up to this FFL, pick this thing up, and head on home and check it out. Peace. All right, only thing I can say is we are on our way to the house. There go the box, baby. Let's get to the crib.
One eternity later.
All right, good people, I am back like I never left, baby. All right, so we just pick up item from my FFL. Got a couple other things that finally came today in the mail. We'll open this up. We like doing unboxing, right? We like that. Also have something right here. I think I know what this is. We're gonna open that. And we went to Cabela's the other day, and we picked up a couple things out of Cabela's. If y'all remember, if y'all watched that video, then you might even remember what some of the items were that we picked up. So let's get to it, man. Without further ado, man, let's open up this box, baby. Yes, sir. You're gonna have some haters. You're gonna have some people that's gonna be okay with it, and you're gonna have me that's excited about it. Well, from the size of the box, you guys probably already know that it's something. What it is, and size of it or whatever. So, without further ado, I'll show y'all a little something. Some people know. It's a sticker. Some people know. If the sticker come this size, you guys already know. Certain people know. It's somebody. It's one person on here I know for sure.
You keep talking, man. And you shut the
Big T. I know you know. You know what you know from this right here. All right, we're going to keep on going, man. Bam. That's what I got. Made in the USA. Owner's manual. Always read your owner's manual. Let's pull him out. See what he is. I got a lock. Ready? Set? Go.
Oh my gosh!
Okay. Bear Creek Arsenal. Know what I'm saying? Got that AR-15 with the size charging handle on it. Now, my man Big T Triumph, he told me about this. He told me about he had picked up a AR-15, a 10 millimeter one. And I was thinking about getting that, but I say, you know what? I'm going to go ahead this time, and I'm going to get another one, and I may get either a 9 or a 10 millimeter, but I wanted to go with this one right here. This is 10 and a half. Now, when I get my other one, I may get 7.5. But I wanted to get a 10.5 because I wanted to do some things to it. Put a couple items on here. There's nothing in here, as we know, because we still got our little plastic thing on there. I like this right here comes off, but I like that. Is it fluted all the way through? Nah, I don't think it's fluted all the way through. I like the way they have the cut on here. Give it just a little bit of style. Picatinny rail on the top. You got your, you can put I'm gonna put a brace on here. I'm gonna put a pistol brace on the back of here. And I also ordered, as a matter of fact, let's open this because I think I know what this is. I'm waiting on two things to come. Let's see which one this one is. All right, so that's what that is. And I guess I might as well show you guys what I have, what I'm going to add to this. I'm going to just take this off real quick. Let me leave my scissors. Sit tight. Hopefully this don't break the scissors, man. This is so thick. All right, got it. Man, I was a little nervous about that. So on this side charging handle, it doesn't stay open. Nope, don't seem like it. All right, so got that off. Nothing in here. See what this trigger feel like. Fire, safe over here. Safe direction. Wow. That's kind of smooth. Now on here, they put a little nut on the back right here, where the rear side, the rear charging handles usually go. And my man Big T was telling me to get some Loctite and just run through all of these screws. Make sure that they're nice and tight. So that's what I am going to do. Just make sure everything is nice and tight on here. Take this out to the range and see how this joint feel. So this is nice, man. That's a nice little truck gun, man. Oh shoot, I already see an issue, man. I already see an issue. I had ordered this right here, but I had ordered this in, I can tell you I didn't order it in OD green, that's for sure. I didn't order it in that color. So I'm going to have to send that back. That is OD green, right? Is that what that look like? I ordered it in flat dark earth. I got to look at my paperwork. Might as well go ahead and show y'all. See, look. What I got, what I want to do, what I'm thinking about doing. Oh, this is not going to work. And it might work on the back. No, this is going to work. I ordered this right here. Switch up my handle. And I got, these are the two things I had got from Cabela's. And I had got this right here for the front. That on the front. And this right here for the top. But that color, I don't know. Maybe it's not off. Maybe it's me. I'm gonna go ahead and open it because it look like this is the right color. I like it's off a little bit, but that might just be the color, right? It's close enough to it. What y'all think? Because it don't really say in this paperwork what color it is. goes on top. Have to get that on there. And what else? Something else. Let's see. Well, I had got this rail right here. I'm not sure if I got this for this one or another firearm. I had picked this rail up. I may have gotten it for this. I might have got it just to see. Put that on there, make it a little higher. We got that. And it was something else that came. This right here. I believe this is for, I think this is for my MPA. Let's see. I think that's what this one is for. Yup. Yeah. So this right here, I had picked this up for the MPA to put this on the back so that I can get a folding brace to put on the back of the MPA. And I've ordered the folding brace. I'm just waiting for it to come. I got this from A3 Tactical. It's usually hard to find stuff like this. So this is where I got it from. I was talking with somebody in the comments. I can't remember who it was about. I think it was the shooter, the shooter. And he was telling me about some things I can do to my MPA so that I can make it a little more sturdy. And I was telling him I had something going. So this is it. I got this right here so I can put this on here and then put my pistol brace. I ordered the pistol brace for that as well. I'm waiting for that to come. Hopefully that'll get here like tomorrow. I want to get both of these out to the range. I'm also waiting for some magazines. I ordered 2 mags for it, and I ordered a piece so I can get this one, so I can snap that on there. And flashlight. Ordered the flashlight. We're gonna put the flashlight on here, and I think that's gonna be it, man. The flashlight, the piece to put this on the rail. And that's probably about it, man. And get this thing out to the range so we can see what's going on, man. Check it out. I did want to order some iron sights as well. I probably will take a look tonight and look and get some iron sights to go for this. I do have a buttstock upstairs. It's not a brace that I could put on here just so we could see what it looked like. I don't know. But yeah, so man, that's what's going on, man. That's what we got going on today, baby. Bear Creek Arsenal BCA 15 with the right side charging handle. AR-15. They have these in 7.5, 10.5, and I believe the 16 for the upper. And it comes in 9mm, 10mm, 5.56, 223, 300 blackout, and I believe the 308, 7.62, definitely. But I wouldn't go over the 5.56 on this myself. And like I said, I'm going to probably get a 9mm, just because the ammo was a little more reasonable. And the 9mm, I will get that in like a 7.5, just so that can be a little shorter, have a little more fun. So yeah, man, we're going to get this out to the range, check it out, see how it feel. Put my parts in here, and the more and more I look at this, man, this look green to me, man. Look, that's what y'all think, or what y'all think? I guess when I put it on here, it's gonna look different. Nah, that's green, man. So yeah, I got to get back with them and check that out, because I don't want I need all my colors to be the same, dog, so I can try to accomplish what I'm trying to accomplish with this. All right, man, that's about it for now. Like, comment, share, and subscribe to this video, and tell somebody about the channel. And we are going to get out to the range, check this out, see what it's doing, what it's hitting for, see how it feel. And that's about it for now. Holler at y'all later. See y'all at the range. Peace.
I want to reach 1 million likes. So please, sarapakarai. Yes. Okay, thank you.